In this video, I'm going to take you beyond your mind. So what I'd like you to do, it's a little bit of a guided meditation here. So I want you to just take a few minutes to relax, just soften your body, close your eyes. If you need to kind of shake your body out, shake it out. Make sure that you're in a comfortable position. You're nice and comfortable. If you're not comfortable, please get to an area that you are comfortable. Sit somewhere where you're comfortable. Even lay down on the floor on your back to get comfortable. And let's just take a few minutes to simply just relax, to slow down and be present to this moment, here and now. We're going to take a couple deep breaths in through the nose and out through the nose. In through the nose and out through the nose. In through the nose and out through the nose. And just simply relax with every out breath. Sink deeper and deeper. And you'll find yourself becoming very relaxed and tranquil. If you're not relaxed, simply just open yourself up a little bit more. Let go of everything that you were doing before. Let go of all expectations. Let go of the past. Let go of the future. Simply just be here now. Empty yourself. Let go of the personality, let go of thoughts, let go of beliefs, any expectations for what you think that's going to happen. Just let go of all of that and simply just be here with me, present and empty. Be in a state of receptivity. Be open to this experience. Simply just be innocent, not knowing anything, just pure emptiness. And just tune into this energy, this presence that's here with us right now. Tune into it. If you're not tuning into it, open yourself more, surrender more. Just be empty. Be still. Be silent. Tune into the stillness that's here. Notice how your mind has become stilled. Notice how the mind has become silent. What is aware of the silent mind? What is aware that the mind has come and gone? What is it that is aware? of this emptiness? What is aware of this silence right now? What is aware of this stillness right now? What is aware of being aware right now? You're aware that with no thoughts right now, you exist. You are beyond thoughts. What you are is beyond the mind. There's an awareness of stillness. There's an awareness of silence. There's an awareness of emptiness. There's an awareness of nothingness. What is aware of being aware? Your true limitless self is beyond the limitations of the mind. The awareness that you are, pure awareness, pure consciousness, infiniteness. This is what you are. Beyond all personality, beyond gender, race, culture, religion, preferences, identifications. Your infinite being is here now, always, has been, and always will be, without boundaries, boundless being, with just an awareness of being aware. And without content of the mind, your true infinite being is becoming aware of itself. There's no other experience other than your true nature. Notice how complete and content and peaceful your true nature is. Notice how tranquil, serene, pristine your true nature is. The awareness that you are is untouched by any worldly experience. It's not bound to the limitations of time. It's outside of time. It's timeless. It's eternal. This awareness is the source of all experience. Without this awareness, there could never be an experience. Every experience that you've ever had was because there was an awareness that was aware of the experience. All experiences come and go, but this awareness that you are your true self does not come and go. It's permanent. It's eternal. This is your limitless nature. Be still and know that you are that. Just sit in this stillness and allow awareness to become aware of itself. This awareness is impersonable. Know that this is your true self. You have been awareness this entire time, beyond memory, beyond imagination, beyond the mind. You are beyond the mind. You, as awareness, are beyond the mind. You have always been beyond the mind. This awareness is unattached to anything. It is free. You are free. Know that you are free of the mind. You, awareness, is aware of the mind. That which you are aware of, you are free of. That which knows the mind is beyond the mind. Just sit in this blankness, this emptiness, nothingness, and allow awareness to become more and more aware of this nothingness, this vast, empty, space-like substrate that we give the name awareness or consciousness. The fact that you are aware right now without any content in the mind reveals what you actually are. You are beyond the body, beyond the mind. Infinite awareness, infinite consciousness, whatever you want to call it. what we're pointing to, what you're experiencing, is beyond name, beyond form. It's nameless. It's formless. Let's just sit in the silence of our infinite being. Just enjoy the stillness. Rest in your own being. Rest in peace, the peace that you are. And let's go ahead and slowly open our eyes. Come back. Well, hopefully you enjoyed that transmission, that exploration beyond the mind. Hopefully you were able to discover what I was pointing at. Hopefully you discovered your true self, what you actually are, your infinite being, your limitless being, whatever you want to call it. You are that.